Hello everyone. 여러분 안녕하세요. I'm Korean Uncle Jay. 저는 코리안 엉클 제이입니다. In today's class, we will make sentences using the vocabulary learned in chapters 1 and 3. First, we will learn how to introduce our family to someone. Second, we will learn about negative sentences. Okay, let's get started.
It's our family. 우리 가족이에요.
원래 별로 좋아하는 게 없는 성격. 노천이야.
저는 회장님의 지시만 받습니다. 상무님.
결혼해서 아이 낳고 가족 만들고 그쪽으로 관심 없는 사람이고
다단계인가 뭔가 뭐 그런 애는 아니죠? 지금 어디서 누굴 협박해? 죽을래!
우리 애가 뭘 모르고 이런 것 같은데 선처를 좀 부탁드리겠습니다, 선생님.
너 한 패지? 미치고 아니야? 아무데도 못 가! 한 달 안에 사표 쓰게 해두겠습니다.
두 분 이제 그만 결혼하세요까지.
왜 이래? 이수거랑 나랑은 그런 사이가 아니라니까.
저는 해도 괜찮다고 생각하는데요. 결혼?
기억도 못하는 그런 정신빠진 놈한테 내 딸 돈 맡기겠다고 허락해 주십시오. 허락해 주시기 전까지 절대로 움직이지 않을 겁니다. 차라리 화석이 되겠습니다.
Did you enjoy the video? This drama is about a Korean family. The title of this drama is What Happens to My Family. In Korean, it means 가족끼리 왜 이래? It's one of my favorite dramas. It is a human family drama. This video is available on the YouTube channel Cabot's World. I will leave the channel address as a link in the description. Then, let's study about family in Korean. Father, 아버지, dad, 아빠. Mother, 어머니, mom, 엄마. Older sister, 누나 or 언니. 누나 is a word used when calling a younger brother. 언니 is a word used when calling a younger sister. Older brother, 형 or 오빠. 형 is a word used when calling a younger brother. 오빠 is a word used when calling a younger sister. Younger sister, 동생 or 여동생. Younger brother, 동생 or 남동생. Usually, when older sister or older brothers call their younger siblings, they say 동생. However, when calling with emphasis on gender, the younger sister is called 여동생 and the younger brother is called 남동생. So, what do parents say when they call their sons and daughters? 딸, daughter. 아들, son. So, what do sons and daughters call their parents? 부모님, parents. So, what introduce our family to someone at once? Say this.
우리 가족이에요.
우리 가족이에요. It's our family. 우리, our. 가족, family. 이에요. predicate marker. That's good. Let's move on to the next one. How to say family photo in Korean. 가족 사진. 가족, family, 사진, photo. So, let's learn how to introduce each family member one by one.
이분은 제 아버지예요.
이분은 제 아버지예요. This is my father.
이분은 제 어머니예요.
이분은 제 어머니예요. This is my mother. So, let's look at sentence one by one. 이, this, 분 or 사람. 분 is a word that exerts person. It's an honorific. 사람 can be used for everyone. 은, subject marker. 제, my. 아버지 or 어머니. 예요, predicate marker. Do you guys remember? If there is no final consonant at the end of the word preceding the predicate marker, use 예요. Then, someone might ask, looking at your picture,
이분이 강심 씨 오빠예요?
이분이 강심 씨 오빠예요? Is this 강심's older brother?
이분이 강심 씨 언니예요?
이분이 강심 씨 언니예요? Is this 강심's older sister? So, let's look at each sentence one by one. 이, this. 분 is meaning exerts person. Someone asking this question doesn't know who the person in the picture. That's why we use 분, which means honorific. 이, subject marker. So, do you remember this? If there is a final consonant at the end of the word preceding the subject marker, use 이. 강심. This is older sister name. 씨, Mr., Miss, Mrs. 오빠 or 언니, older brother or older sister. 예요 is your predicate marker. So, how do I respond when this person is not my brother or sister?
아니요. 이 사람은 오빠가 아니에요. 동생이에요.
아니요. 이 사람은 오빠가 아니에요. 동생이에요.
아니요. 이 사람은 언니가 아니에요. 동생이에요.
아니요. 이 사람은 언니가 아니에요. 동생이에요. Please listen carefully. We will learn negative sentences here. 아니요. You can change you to 다 in 아니다. Originally, 아니다 is a basic form adjective, but it becomes application form by adding you to 아니. 이 사람은 오빠가 아니에요. 이, this, 사람. 사람 can be used for everyone. 은, first subject marker. 오빠, older brother. 가, second subject marker. 아니에요, is not. Now, why is the word 사람 used here? Since the person who answered is older, the word 사람 is more natural than the expression 분. 은, since there was already a mention of 사람 in the question, 은 is used in the answer. 가, when two subjects are used in a sentence, use 은 in front and 가 after. 아니에요. You can change 에요 to 다 in 아니다. Originally, 아니다 is a base form adjective, but it becomes application form by adding 에요 to 아니. The important point here is there are people who write 아니에요.
Nope.
This is the wrong word. There is not much difference in pronunciation between these two words. But you must use 아니에요 when you use them. What to say when asked how many people are in your family?
가족이 몇 명이에요?
가족이 몇 명이에요? How many people are in your family? You can answer like this.
우리 가족은 6명이에요.
우리 가족은 6명이에요. There are 6 people in our family. Most Koreans tend to ask about family. This is because they have traditionally lived in an environment that values family. So, let's look at each sentence one by one. 가족, family. 이, subject marker. 몇, how many. 명, unit of count people. 이에요, predicate marker. 우리 가족, our family. 은, subject marker. 가족 is information already known in the question. 은 is used instead of 이. 여섯, 6. 명, unit of counting people. 이에요, predicate marker. We have looked at the components of a sentence so far. This class will be difficult or easy for someone. As we know, the basics are the most important in studying a language. So, I am repeating the concept several times. I always dream of the day when you speak Korean well. Thank you for watching. Let's meet again next time. Bye. 안녕히 계세요.
Ho, 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 Merry Christmas.